It's time to practice your stairs and your...
Yo, what's up guys? So, I'm back again today just to show you some new clips that I filmed. I'm kind of going to try this new look with the channel just because, you know, my passion is filmmaking and I really love fashion also. But I think I'm going to be starting to move away from the reps also because YouTube's screwing us on that whole new ad policy. So I'm just going to be doing stuff I like, and there's still probably going to be reviews in the future, but for now there's going to be more of these lookbook type things that I really enjoy. And this really this really awesome company that I got this stuff from called Cause and Effect Co. They're this really cool company that gives 10% of their profits to like sex trafficking prevention organizations. I forget which one exactly, but they have it on their site. It's really cool. It's a really cool hoodie graphic. It has like Hush on it. Hush is like their slogan statement. And yeah, it's a very cool, it's really warm too. Like it's this cool kind of like neoprene type fabric, and it's surprisingly high quality. It looks like the tags in there are like actually sewn in by hand, or not by hand, but like done like after the fact of them getting it. And yeah, they have this really cool branding with like their Hush line. That's their line for this season. It's called Hush. But yeah, check them out. They're really cool. Cause and Effect Co. They're like a brand for a good cause, and they're really cool, like high fashion style graphics. Yeah. And also, Jesse Wallens was a huge inspiration for me making this lookbook because I just really enjoyed the ones he did on his channel. I don't know if you know him, but he's like the prank versus prank guy when he was married to Gina, but that was a whole situation. Anyways, inspired by Jesse, but with a twist, my own like creative type twist. Here's like this lookbook thing that I created for Cause and Effect Co. Here we go.